My handsome nephew, Myron, I am so very proud of you. I'm so proud of the young man that you have become. See, you had to overcome a lot of obstacles. Being premature, you should have developmental disabilities, developmental delays, you should be underweight, but none of those things are true about you. You see, ever since you started your academic career, you have been an A/B student. You have grown to be over 6 feet 4 inches tall. And in your senior year, you were a starter on your basketball team, even though you have never played a day of organized basketball. Those are things to be proud of. So you might be asking yourself, though, TT, why are you so proud of me? When those are things that regular kids every day achieve. But I say to you that they are not. You are a regular kid, but your achievement is extraordinary. You see, those kids weren't given a 50% chance of living. Those kids did not come onto this earth weighing 2 pounds. Those kids did not come home from the hospital on oxygen and with a heart monitor. But you did. But you overcame all of those things that statistics say that you should be suffering with. And I'm also very proud of you because of the young man that you show to your younger brothers. You are their role model, and they look up to you. And lastly, I am so proud that you have been accepted to Auburn University of Montgomery. So congratulations, and I am so, so very proud of you. We love you, our future engineer.